let's play a bit of a game. If you're like me and you spend your whole life learning about different motherboards, then let's see if you can guess which motherboard this specific block from Alphacool is supposed to go for. If you've guessed the X870 ICE from Aorus, then you are correct. And the whole point of this exercise is that they are doing special monoblocks that cover your CPU, your VRM, and also one SSD that exactly match the style of your motherboard. And they're going to have 10 different designs at the start when this thing finally launches this year. If you remember, we kind of showcased it a bit at Computex. Well, guess what? It's finally real. It's finally coming. So right now, though, we're showing off a couple of different designs. There's the one for the ICE, one for the ROG Strix X87F, one for the Aorus Elite, and also for the Pro Art. Now, they will be focusing just on AMD motherboards right now, mostly because, well, no one's really buying any Intel current gen stuff because, well, it's not really that competitive. Plus, there's also the fact that they're changing sockets like every single year, which makes an investment into any monoblock that much more futile. So if you do have any kind of plans on water cooling your AMD build, then you can have one of these to perfectly match your exact board. But that's not all. They have other parts as part of this Apex series to also make it all come together. I'm almost scared of touching anything here because if I drop anything, it's gonna be like a domino effect. But here's the rest of the Apex line that's meant to complement those monoblocks you saw right there. So they have a manifold, which you could use. They have the GPU block right here, which again, we showcased at CES, and it's gonna be available for your RTX 5090. At least right now. Hopefully there'll be maybe some other GPUs in the future. And then there's your entire distro plate as well. The one in the back here is made specifically for the Height Y70, though again, there'll be different ones available depending on whatever case you have, whatever kind of case you want to go with the rest of your build. So they have this entire Apex collection set up so everything can nicely match together. And again, you have that extra customization where you can match it precisely to your case, to the motherboard, and GPU-wise. You know, you don't have too much choice, but yet again, most people, if they are going to be doing water cooling, odds are it's just going to be a 5090, 5080 at a stretch. So it's not as bad of a thing that there's not much choice there because that's just a GPU market right now. Plus, huge thanks to Gavin Byrne, Justin Rage, Lavronyak, Balazh Voka, not a student named Meg Sumner, and Shane Allcroft.